Okay, so we're gonna unbox Zoro sword, Enma, and yeah, let's just start it. So we're gonna unbox this. So I got this on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link for this one, and you can get it. And yep, so this is the sword, Enma, and we're gonna see the blade itself. And yep, you see this. And yeah, so this is the sword. So 105 in centimeter. How, I don't know how you're gonna convert it on American like measurement. We call it centimeter on Japan anyway. So this is the size of the sword. You cannot see this. How long is this? And how light is this for cosplay? I think I will take this one because it's so light compared the per sword for cosplay I buy on Zoro, the Wado Ichimonji. It's kind of heavy anyway, like it's kind of 2 kilo I guess, but this one's so light because on this one, on here, if you hold it, it's like it's so light. And yeah, so I'm gonna put the link. So this is Enma sword. And yeah, see you next video.